wig is from Nadula Hair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 10 inches. This is a bob wig. The hair texture is Yaki straight, and this is a 7x5 lace closure wig. This wig is ready to go straight out of the package. The knots have been pre-bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and the lace is pre-cut. So all of the hard work is already done on this glueless wig. The cap construction features 3 combs and a silicone strap around the back of the lower hairline of the wig for extra security. Yaki textured wigs are my absolute favorite because they mimic my natural hair so well. I love how natural the Yaki texture looks and how it blends in with my hairline. So for all of the girlies who love to wear their glueless wigs behind their actual hairline, this may be the perfect wig for you. And another thing that I love about Yaki textured wigs is that the hair is dense on the wig, but is not too thick. And also, I love that the Yaki texture has a lot of movement in body. This wig does come standard with a middle part, but of course you can do a side part, left or right side part. Do you normally wear your wigs with a middle part, or do you do a side part, or do you do like a C curved part? Let me know in the comments. The first color is the color of my foundation, which I'll be spraying on the under portion of lace. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the lace closure on the underside of lace. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying after each layer. So moving on to styling, I'm grabbing BioSilk Silk Infusion Hair Serum, applying that to the hair. And then I am going to focus on the hairline of the wig. So I'm grabbing a hair wax stick. I'm going to smooth those hairs back. And then I'm using my pressing combs just to get the hair going into the direction that I want them to go into. And also smoothing out that part just so that everything is flat and even and nice, because we are not using any type of glue or adhesive on this wig. So I want to make sure that it's fully ready just to, place on my head and go. This is easily one of the most realistic wigs that you will try if you are a beginner. I highly recommend this one. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag scalp in the comment section. Now I am grabbing sections of hair. I am going to lightly flat iron the section and then curl it or bump it at the ends. So now I'm just going to grab the wig. I'm going to place it on my head in its proper placement, and you just see that lace just disappear into my skin so evenly. But you also notice that my hairline is peeking through on the left and right sides of the closure. My hairline is more round and this wig is more square, as you can see. So of course my hairline is going to be out. So I'm just going to grab some edge control, apply that to where my hair is peeking through, and I'm just going to basically just do some swoops there. But you can also comb it down like this if you do not want your hairline exposed, if you have a lower hairline like mine, and that looks just as good. You don't have to do baby hairs. Baby hairs is always optional. So whenever I put a bob on, it just gives me boss vibes. Like, it just makes me feel important. It makes me feel also like a news anchor. It just makes me feel like, I don't know, it just reminds me of like a wealthy woman whenever I put a bob on. That's just the vibe that it gives me. That's the energy that a bob gives me. You know what I mean? And that's exactly what I felt like when I had this wig on. Like, I loved it. I just thought it was such a beautiful, gorgeous head of hair. It was really given. It definitely was doing what it was supposed to. Here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comments. Let's chat everything this wig. Let's talk about how you have been wearing your hair this summer. Do you wear bobs? Do you like wearing bobs? Are bobs in your forecast for fall? Let's chat everything this hair texture. Do you like Yaki wigs? Do you like Yaki bob wigs? Let's talk everything about the hairline, the fact that this is a lace closure wig that's glueless, that you can literally just take off of your wig stand, put on your head, Go run errands, go to the store, do a FaceTime call. Literally, this wig is that easy. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Beige. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. And do not forget that I will have all of the information to this wig, the direct link, all of the sale information down below in the description box. So do you like this wig better in a side part or a middle part? Let's chat in the comment section. And look how flawless my kinky edges, like my natural edges, are blending in with this wig, because this is a Yaki texture. Like no other virgin silky straight wig is going to blend in with my edges as perfectly as this one does. Like you can't even see, it's like seamless. Nadula.